The unknown x is paired with a term that is constant on both sides of the equation. We are going to solve for the value of the unknown by isolating it on one side of the equation, hence removing those terms and coefficients that are not associated with it. Let's start by writing this equation here. So you have 2x minus 8. So we have a binomial expression equal to x plus 3. Another binomial expression. So we are going to pick the left-hand side for our variable. So first, let's try to remove this negative 8 or minus 8 by adding 8 on both sides, so that this side here will only contain the unknown. Do the same thing on the other side to retain equality. That means we have here 2x is equal to x. 3 plus 8 is 11. Next, look at our right hand side. We have our unknown there as well. So we would like it to be part of the left hand side. Hence, we need to remove that from that side by subtracting x, so that x minus x becomes 0. Do the same thing on the other side. So you will have this. In short, 2x minus x, you will have your x equal to, what remains here is 11. This should be the value of the unknown that is found on both sides of the equations. To verify this, we are going to proceed with the checking. The goal of the checking is to make sure that the equation will still stand once we use the value of the unknown, which we solved as 11. So we are going to use here the original equation. Now looking at our process earlier, this is also another equation, but it is safe for us to use the original equation in checking because there might be some errors from here to there, and we could verify that if this will not hold. So we are going to substitute 11. So you have 2 times 11 minus 8. The other side will have 11 plus 3. Let's use the question mark because we are still on checking. Now 2 times 11 is 22 minus 8 equal to, you have here 14. Even if it's too obvious, simply continue doing question mark because the goal of the checking is to make sure that both sides of the equation will have the same value. By the way, we are practicing checking even if this equation is not that difficult, so that it will be part of your system to always check if you have time. 22 minus 8 is 14. On this side, you will also have 14. Once you reach this point, you have now verified that the equation stands if x is equal to 11. This would mean this value for the unknown is correct. Join us to the next adventure involving the unknown.